Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Corn kebab has become my favorite and it will become yours too if you follow this video till the end. This corn kebab is crisp on the outer side and smooth, soft and juicy from the inner side, and then you can enjoy this during the evenings with your tea as an evening snack. So let us see how to prepare. You need one large onion chopped and 7 to 8 green chilies chopped. You need chickpea flour or basin and then rice flour, coriander and mint leaves. You need to chop it into fine pieces and then 3 boiled potatoes. And then for the masalas, you need salt to taste, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, and red chili powder. And obviously, the main ingredient is our sweet corn. So now take a bowl and take a grater and start grating the corns as shown here. It's very easy. You don't need to peel all the sweet corn kernels and then you need to boil it and then blend it. This is the simple method. By doing this, you can enjoy the sweetness from the sweet corn, that is the milk coming out when you're grating it. That brings an extra flavor. So don't miss this step. You do like this and you can enjoy an amazing results. So after you're done with all the other sweet corn pieces, this will be your consistency. So now you can observe that there is some milk extracted from the sweet corns. This is enough. You don't need to add extra water into the batter. Now add all the ingredients I have shown you, that is the onions, the coriander, all the masalas, and then mix it nicely. You need to add potatoes. First check for the potatoes consistency. I have added 2 and then later again I have added the other one. So that was perfect for me. So 2 medium ones and 1 small potato. That did good for my sweet corn batter. And then once you add the potatoes also, check for the consistency and then add accordingly the rice flour, the besan, the chickpea flour and the breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs at home, no issues. You can take bread from the bakery, that is a little bit older one, and then cut the edges and then dip it in water for one time and then squeeze the entire water and add the soaked bread into the sweet corn batter and prepare it. You need to have a stiff, rough or tight ball of kebab. You should not have loose one, otherwise it won't stick to the popsicle, it will drop off. So once you're done with this, take popsicle sticks that will be available at any supermarket for just 20 rupees and then start preparing. First prepare a round sized ball and then you insert the popsicle stick into this and start doing as shown here on your palm. Then you will get the kebab shape like this. Now do or repeat the same process with the remaining ones also, and then take a pan and add oil for deep fry and then start adding your popsicles, that is the kebabs, slowly and on medium flame only you need to cook, otherwise the outer coat will cook first and then the inner ones will remain raw. So repeat the process and that's it. Your hot corn kebabs are all ready. Isn't it very easy? These things are available at your home itself. I mean in your kitchen only. You don't need to bring an extra ingredient or some any other ingredients that are not available in your kitchen. So this rainy season you can enjoy this corn kebab. Not only rainy season, you can enjoy this in any time and you can enjoy with your family and they'll ask you for more. See, this is crisp on the outer side and juicy and soft on the inner side. So if you like this, please subscribe.